night, my beloved sister. What is the problems? Wakego, wakego, esimo wanemo, wakego, wanemo, ogenika imeriki, wakego, esimo wanemo, wakego.
Mefula.
Uncle,
Odipama.
something happened in the house today. Will I say a mystery happened there?
Wait. Mefula. What could that be? I hope no one is dead.
No, Uncle, nobody died. Uncle, yesterday I sent my wife to the market to buy me a cock, a bottle of schnapp and cola nuts, so that today I can pour libation on my late father's grave. This morning I was ready to perform the rituals, and then I asked my wife to bring out everything. To my greatest surprise, Uncle, the cock was dead. The schnapp was empty. The schnapp bottle, it was empty and still corked too. The cola nut was nowhere to be found. I don't understand what happened there. I don't understand.
Mefula.
Uncle, I need to know. I need to know if my father is angry at me, or if I was stupid to try to pour libation on my father's late father's grave.
Mefula.
Uncle,
you don't mean it.
Uncle, I mean it. I'm serious. So this is what happened in the house.
Mefula.
Uncle.
Mefula. Hey. Mefula.
Uncle, where are you going to now? Let's go to your house.
Mefula. The spirit of our ancestors, the spirit of my late brother Ayang, please vindicate me. I have no agreement with Mefula. However, kindly forgive him for his stupid act. Biko. Mefula.
Yeah?
Take cola nut.
No, I don't like cola nut.
Okay, good. Thanks. Akudo. Mefula.
Uncle,
what do you know about tradition?
I don't know anything about tradition. Yeah? Since when did I start studying tradition? I don't know anything about tradition. I don't want to know.
Mefula.
Uncle.
Your elder sister here, Nwakego, is she aware about your intention to pour libation or sacrifice on your late father's grave?
No, she's not aware.
Wait, Kangotagodu, because I'm lost here. What sacrifice are you talking about?
Adanaya, please, just do the listening here. You know, I called for this meeting and I promise to clear your confusion here. Just watch.
If you say so.
Mefula.
Uncle.
From the time that your late father was sick in the hospital till his death and burial, how much did you contribute?
Uncle, this one you're asking me this kind of question. You are aware I was in Kenya then, now serving my master. I was far away. Yes. It was Nwakego here and her husband that showed her the whole expenses now. Which is what they're supposed to do. We're one family.
But now let me ask you. Did you ascertain how much was spent and try to refund from the expenses? Did you?
No, I don't understand, Uncle. This kind of question you're asking me. Refund how? Did I take any loan from the bank? It is a family affair now. Stop this thing you're doing, Abeg. Stop it. Let me say my mind.
If you said I should shut up, I would have told him like just Sawanya.
That's quite Wakwanya.
Mature over! You're not Paula!
No, go tell us
Your elder sister you're talking to
I
like
don't
that!
understand.
No.
Leave me alone. Let me see my mind.
For money,
What's all this?
you have long mouth.
Amefula!
Am I supposed to refund money that you used to bury your father?
Shut up there!
Shame on
I'm
you!
unseated!
You too.
Mature over!
Refund money you used to bury your own father.
Are you not ashamed of
Money you
yourself?
used to
Shut
steal
up
your
there!
own. Uncle, no, let me talk. She's here. Let me tell her my
Enough,
mind.
Paula!
You did not contribute, but you want to chop from the proceeds. Are you not a greedy goat?
It is my father. I did not bring myself to this world. What's the meaning of that now? Refund what?
Listen to me, Amefula.
Uncle, in short, even when I sell properties, I will not even refund it. I will not give you any money. What is this nonsense now? Am I the one that said that she could do the burial?
Shut up there!
All the creature is rod. You are still talking about selling property.
Amefula.
You are looking for what to sell.
It is very lucky. Yes. You are very, very lucky. If you had lifted kola nuts to the spirit of our ancestors or your late father, you would have been dead by now. Amefula. Oh yes.
What?
You would have been dead by now if you had tried any libation.
Thank God. Uncle,
Okay.
what did I do to her? What wrong? What did I commit? Why is he so angry that he even went as far as trying to invoke the spirit of our late father on me? What did I do?
Okay, go. Biko.
Hey!
Please, just calm down. You see, the spirit of your late father and the ancestors of our family have vindicated you. Oh yes. The item in question either got missing or died. So cheer up. Okay, go. Biko.
Uncle, did I not give Amefula 3 million naira? 3 million? Hey, oh, 3 million! To put in his business, to support what his Oga settled him with. Did I not marry a wife for him? Did I not marry a kudo for him? What have I not done for that useless boy? Gwamu, what have I not done for him?
Wakego, I know. You have a good heart. See, I'm begging you. Unless you want to blame the gods for keeping me alive as your only surviving uncle that always stands for the truth. Oh yes. See, Wakego, I want you to reward Amefula's wickedness with kindness. Yes. Biko.
Mwa. Memie. I will not do it. You see that boy? I will not give him a dime again in this life. Instead of me to give him, Uncle, I will run until I see a big river.
Biko.
I will dive inside and drown.
Biko.
Instead of me to give him shishi again.
Biko.
That boy is useless. He is greedy.
Wakego.
Entitlement mentality will kill him.
Biko.
Very hostile, useless boy.
Biko.
That is what he is.
Wakego. I know you've tried. You have a good heart. Biko.
Hey! Chineke, borrow him that
Biko.
boy, Yoko.
Biko.
If it's the last thing you do, borrow him that boy, Yoko.
Biko. Forgive him, please. Biko.
Chai.
Ozugonu.
Eh? No, I don't understand now.
What do you want me to say? I believe by now you can see what your persistent refusal to listen to my advice would have cost you.
Hi. Why is everyone against me in this house? Why is everyone against me in this family? Was I not pushed to the wall? Or do you want me to suffer and suffer until I die?
Why will you suffer and suffer until you die? No, tell me. Why will you suffer and suffer until you die? Your destiny sits in any man's hands. Is it? Let me ask you one question. Had it been your late father left no landed properties, won't you have survived? Won't you have lived? I warned you. Remember, Agwalungiagwa.
Well, I don't understand the meaning of what you're saying. You're not even moving in accordance with what I'm saying. I don't get it. Are you trying to tell me that Wakego has more rights than me in this family?
Afam, can you please stop being logical about this? Stop applying logic. What is your problem? Your uncle was vocal about it. Yes, he was vocal when he said that inheriting the late properties comes with responsibilities and liabilities. You should go and ask for your sister's mercy to be able to dispose some of the lands and help yourself.
I ask for my sister's mercy. Ask for my sister's mercy here. Ask for my sister's mercy. Why am I even the first son of this family? The first and only son of this family, oh? What are you saying, self? What are you even saying? You think the gods are not wise?
You know what? I am tired of giving you any advice. I am tired of bringing my suggestions because it's obvious you do what you want. Afamefuna, you should go and bury your father by repaying your sister, your elder sister, every dime she spent in treating and burying your father. Afterwards, you can talk about inheritance. That is the tradition. Excuse me.
Oh, so it has gotten to you walking out on me, eh? Wait.
Mefula, you are very lucky. And you see, I have to be frank with you. You touched the tiger by the tail, and you're lucky that it didn't consume you. So I advise you now, go and apologize to Nwakego. Yes.
No, Uncle, I don't get it, oh. Apology up and down. You're talking of apology here, apology there. Are you telling me if I do not apologize to Nwakego, I cannot go in and claim my father's estate?
Mefula, a man destined to drown must surely drown, even in a spoon of water. Oh yes. The stubborn flies follows the corpse into the grave. Try this, Mefula. Try it as a man.
Uncle, I'm not getting this, you know. This whole thing is scattering my head. I don't get it. Are you telling me that Nwakego has more rights than me in this family? Is this what you're trying to say?
Mefula. Until you are able to offset all the expenses incurred during your father's sickness and burial, my answer is yes. Oh yes.
It's alright.
Inugo?
It's alright, Uncle. Thank you very much for coming. Thank
The
you.
truth is always bitter, but must be told.
No, I said it is alright. It's alright. I've heard you.
Peace. Why can't you just upgrade my request and move in with me? You are only here. What is happening here?
How can you even say that, Peter? Do you hear yourself? Each time you say this thing, I've been trying to just keep quiet about it. Because I don't know why you will go ahead and be telling me to move in with you when you've not even done anything on my head. If you know you love me the way you claim you do, and everything you've been saying to me, come and see my uncle. Come and see my uncle and do the right thing.
Do you know that indirectly you are trying to push me to some willing ladies outside there with all this you are saying?
Hey, no problem. If that is your choice, no problem. Go and meet them. Peace, I will never do the wrong thing. I will never carry myself and move in with a man that has not paid anything on my head or done church wedding or anything. I will never do it.
Let me tell you something. Just understand the angle I'm coming from. Lovers can elope themselves without observing this traditional protocol you are saying. Yes.
I will never do that, Peter. If that is what you want, that I should move in with you, get pregnant and start living with you, yeah, I will never do it. I will never do it. I will not be that girl that will just go with a man and be living with them. I will not get my uncle's blessings. I will not get my auntie's blessings. I will not get my sister's blessings, my in-law, everybody. I will never do it.
Just calm down, just calm down.
Here.
I'm not saying that you are not going to receive their blessings. You hear me? It's just matter of maybe, let's say, 1 month. Or
Peter, N-O, no.
Why you be so hard?
If you want those girls, no problem. Go and meet them.
Peter, stop complaining. Why are you afraid of getting the traditional rite done? If truly you love peace. Why?
Joycey, it's like you are misunderstanding me here. It is high time that you know that when they say love is blind has gone far away. You hear me? It's just a simple request. She get pregnant, then I will pay the traditional rite. Do you hear me? But no pregnancy, No marriage. It's as simple as ABC.
Does it mean that you are doubtful of her fruitfulness?
I didn't say so. It's just a simple policy. If she get pregnant, I will perform the formalities. It's as simple as ABC, like what I said earlier. Yeah.
Hi, Peter. Peter, you don't reason like a progressive man.
How do you mean?
Other men out there do not reason or think the way you are.
How do you mean?
Yes.
See, let me tell you, I am Peter Dike. I do my things the way it pleases me. And one thing you must understand, before I commit myself to anything, I must get the result of my pursuits. You hear me? So either she align with my request or stay rejected. It's as simple as that.
Oh, it's so bad, yeah.
No problem.
If you fight and kill each other, innocent wahala. One day. If you fight and kill each other, innocent wahala. One day. If you fight and kill each other, innocent wahala.
My love, I'm tired. How can we continue like this? Is this how we're supposed to raise enough money to get established again?
You have to stop complaining. You know you can't do anything about this condition. The only thing you should do is keep believing in God. Very soon, we will come back.
You know, you're actually a gift from God to me.
And you are a blessing to me.
I'm not. How can I be a blessing to you when I can't even provide for you? How can I be a blessing to you when this is what I subject my wife to, all in the name of marriage?
You seem to forget things very soon. Have you forgotten? There were days when money was not our problem.
Our money did not last now. The money did not last. All of it down the drain just like that. It did not last.
Aham, the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Do you know the worst thing that will happen to you? It is losing hope. You don't have to lose hope. Keep your hope alive.
Now you're not just my wife, but also my mother. In one package.
Babe, stop. Let's go back
I
to work.
believe you're here to redesign me and also repackage me.
Of course. That
As
is
well.
why I'm here. So let's go back to work. Go. Don't be a lazy man. Go.
My love, what is it? What is it? Baby, what's going on?
Chai. Joyce, can you imagine? Can you imagine the things that were coming out from Peter's mouth? Can you imagine Peter telling me I should move in with him before he will come and pay my bride price? That means he sees me as a low budget girl now. I don't have class. Is he not?
My dear Peace, if I tell you that I was not shocked to my born man, seeing Peter called me a liar. I never expected that from him. Truly, this guy didn't love you.
Never. He never loved me. Because love, I know. Love doesn't require you to prove a point. No, you do the right things for someone you love. Not giving somebody condition or what to do. That is not love. Love is giving. Love is sacrifice. Love is a lot. What has he done for me? Nothing. He doesn't love me. It's obvious.
Oh,
It's very obvious.
babe, I was thinking aloud.
Just a fool. Thinking aloud. What were you thinking?
Peace on the second thought. Seeing Peter's pronouncement as a declaration of a man in love.
So you call that thing a man in love? So this is how they've been fooling you? Oh, so they've been eating you all this while? They will tell you Ijape. They will tell you go and open. Everywhere they'll be eating you. So you can accept that thing that Peter said. Oh, Joycey. No! Don't tell me no problem. Sure you like him? You like him, Abi? No wahala. Go and meet Peter. Go and meet him. He'll be giving you more money to fix that all the long lashes. Because I can see you like wearing eyelashes. He will give you money. You go and put the long lashes, do the long nails and everything. Michael Riyedima. Go and follow him now. Who is begging you?
See, a man that does not love won't want a lady to get pregnant for
That's
him.
a lie.
It's a lie.
That's a lie from pit of hell.
Hey.
Whoever that is telling you that is lying to you. Because any man that did not pay your bride price, did not do the right thing, how do you expect that marriage to prosper? If not that you're my friend there, I would have walked you out of this my compound.
Yeah, Francis. Francis, make sure you get fuel today. Oh. Make sure you get fuel today. Chineka Ogoku. A fool, that is what you are. Dimwiti. All my filling stations, no fuel. And you are here talking nonsense. He's again. Hey, what are you doing? Arab wogan. You're a fool. Anyway, what am I even stressing myself? Francis, you are doing your own now. No, continue. I'm understanding. Okay, I should understand. No problem. Share, I will pay you. I see all your answers. We are. Understand too. Are you still there talking? Come on, phone from my phone and go and get fuel or say so. Always giving useless excuses.
Well done.
I told him that well done. Hold it there. Because anytime you say well done, I know what it means. Please, I don't need company. Happen, man, can just leave me alone.
Sister, I'm sorry for disturbing you, but please, I need just 3 minutes of your time. I need to tell you something.
Yeah. Do you know the meaning of self-respect? That is, do you know what it is? Obviously you don't. Because if you know what it is, you will apply it now. Because respect yourself and leave me alone. Now that I'm saying quietly, you can join you. Yeah. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Sister, this matter is very serious. And you need urgent attention. Please. Just listen to me now.
And I force my force. Are you forcing me? Cheru, you want to use your authority as the only son to force me to listen to you?
Sister, I'm not forcing you to listen to me. Oh. Yes, I'm just saying you give me a listening ear at least to hear me out and know what I'm talking about.
Thank God in your Iberi and your stupidity, you still know that I have that freedom to decide whether I want to listen to you or not. With that freedom, I still maintain that I do not want to listen to you. Period. Okay?
Now, wow. What kind of thing is this now? Every time fight. Sister, come on.
Hey, please. You need to take this hot thing now that is very hot. Very, very hot. It will be good for your stomach. Please.
My room is on fire. I don't think I can take anything now.
Are you serious? Kindu koma biyenka. Kiyaga marunka no. Eh? Don't worry. Your husband has gone to buy some medicine for you. He will soon be back. You know, go.
Please. One man. I'm not sure I can survive this.
What are you saying?
I lost so much blood. I lost so much blood.
Sister, don't ever lose hope. You see this God that we serve, he will never be alive and watch anything happen to you. I don't want you to be saying negative things. It is very bad. Nothing will happen to you. I don't even know how to describe it. Should I say miscarriage or what?
One more. Right there in the farm, the bleeding started uncontrollably. Before balancing now happened. Thank God I went to Taham. If not, by now, you will be sitting with my corpse.
God forbid. God forbid. Sister, you know what? I'm going to help you sit down so that you can drink and then you'll feel better before your husband gets here. Oh yeah. Stop. Oh, sister. Just sit up a little. You go. Sorry. Jiwayo. Okay. Sister. Can't you say Megan? Don't.
It's like fire is burning in my womb.
Fire? From where?
Please, I'm dying.
No, go for me. Jesus! Sister! Papa, tell me you're joking. Sister! Oh! Jesus! No! Please, Auntie Wakigo, you need to come with me. My sister is dying. One them now.
Hey! Smell away from here, Biko. Smell away from here and leave me alone.
Auntie Wakigo,
You don't know who is the
conscience. For humanity sake.
Conscience, hey, if I slap you, I'm not fear Chineke Bruno. Imagine.
Marapan, Iwa Wanda, de Lupano Popo. We are one. The same water, the same flesh and blood. Malupano, Onye Bob, I am Popolo. Abatobi, and well, we are born to. Fighting will not solve this problem. Let's come together as
I've
one.
donated 2 pints of blood. The chemist is requesting for 2 more. I don't know what to do again.
Why?
I don't know, I'm tired.
Amefula, why can't you take her to the hospital?
Uncle, why are you talking like this now? Are you not part of this family? Don't you know what's going on? There's no money on ground now.
Hey!
What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to pay the bills with my boss?
Hey, Amefula, you see what your useless malice you've been keeping with your sister has cost you? Do you see that? Instead of you to humbly respect your sister and you will never suffer, but your pride will not allow you.
Uncle, stop saying these things you're saying now. Stop saying these things you're saying. Why are you talking like this? I don't understand. Must I always worship Wakego because of money? Don't forget I'm a man, oh.
You shut up, Mechoneba! Amefula, don't you know that a man without money is as good as dead? Don't you know that?
So,
Now listen to me. God will not forgive you if anything should happen to Akudo because of your pride and carelessness, Amefula.
I said I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Anyway, Amefula, give me 5 minutes. I'm coming. Wakego. You see, you are a lady with a large heart. I mean, recounting on the way you treated all the members of this family. I say thank you. May God bless you.
Amen. But Uncle, you don't need to thank me. Looking at how things are, you know, it is only fair that we should be there for each other. You understand? Because we do not know why we were all brought together to become one family. So I will always help as much as I can and in any way that I can.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy to hear this. You see, Nwakego, your response to what we are discussing here tonight is the reason why I'm here to see you. And you see, your younger brother Ahamefula needs your help. Please. The wife is dying in the chemist shop.
Huh? Chemist shop?
Yes. Please.
That serves him right. Yes, let him enjoy what he brought on himself. After all, he said he is the only son, the heir, and he has every right to throw me out of my own father's house. Maybe it is my father that is flogging him, so let him enjoy it. Maybe it is the punishment for running his mouth and disrespecting the person that has always helped him.
Please.
Let him get out, please. It is his... Onyewa.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Uncle. Uncle, please help me beg her now. Help me beg her. I'm sorry.
Uncle, tell this Ifulefu to leave my hand now. Let him leave my hand though. Because if I count 3 and he is still holding this hand, I will treat him like a thief. I will deal with him until he regrets being born into this family.
Oh, sister, kill me. Sister, kill me. After all, I'm dead already. Just kill me. Kill me. After all, I'm dead already. So what are you saying? Please, just kill me. Kill me. Uncle, help me beg her now. Help me beg her. What kind of thing is this? Please now.
You want to break my hand? Uncle, yeah. Old man, how did you walk into this place? And what is the meaning of this nonsense?
The meaning is that I am hungry and need to eat.
You are hungry and you need to eat. That is why you walked majestically in here and took what doesn't belong to you without even asking me.
I decide on what to do, how to do it, and when to do it.
Hey, my friend. That rule can only apply to things that belong to you, not to other people's items.
Woman, will you shut up your mouth? Never you speak to me in that manner again.
I will speak to you. I will speak to you anyhow I want. What do you mean by that? You walked in here, pick something that doesn't belong to you, and you want to intimidate me on top of it. It's like you are very mad.
I'll do things worse than that. Even there's nothing you can do about it.
Try. Hey, Biaba! Come back here, where did you going with my phone? Biaba didn't walk in now. Is something wrong?
Give me that knife. Give me that knife.
You called my name. Do you know me? Who are you?
Nwakego, you are playing princess, enjoying and intimidating, leaving our farm and his family suffer. Am I right?
No, he caused it. I used to help them until he...
Shut up! Or I'll slash you into bits.
Yes, sir.
You must, from this moment, take care of Afan's family as the first daughter, or else.
Yes, sir.
Open your eyes. I will chop off one of your ears so that anytime you deviate, you will touch your ears and remember.
Fighting will not solve this problem. Let's come together as one family and live
for love.
United we stand, but divided we fall.
God forbid. God forbid.
You have changed overnight, my beloved sister. What is the problem?
I want you to get another spoon and join me.
Hey, Auntie Wakego, are you sure I heard you well?
Of course you heard me well. Get another spoon, I want us to eat together.
Hey.
I was just thinking to myself, if men were good, everybody would be dead. If they have that kind of power, everybody would die.
Auntie Wakego, I hope I'm not dreaming. I can't believe you're the one talking so nicely to me.
I am the one. You know, I have been thinking to myself and imagining, who are we to decide for God? Who are we to dictate to God? Who?
No mortal can do that. Because all power belongs to God.
Exactly. All power belongs to God. Including the power of conception. Including the power to give children. It is solely in God's hands. So, I feel so bad for the way I treated you because you couldn't be a child for my brother. And I am really sorry about it. But I now know, and I know it was wrong.
Auntie, thank you. Thank you so much. God, I can't believe this is happening. Thank you. Thank you. I love you so much.
I love you more. I love you because if I didn't love you, I would not have recommended you to my brother. There's no way I will recommend a woman that I don't trust to my brother. That's my only brother. I look out for him all the time. So don't worry. Everything is now okay. Nugo?
Thank you.
It's okay.
May God bless you with peace and joy. Thank you.
Amen. Amen.
Baby, I am so happy. I'm so at peace. Oh God.
I don't understand this excitement. What's going on?
You will not understand.
What's going on?
You know, this news that I'm about to break, I am supposed to wait for you to eat first. But because of how excited I am, I cannot wait.
Right.
Oh God.
Give me the good news.
Say please.
Please.
Baby, say please.
Please.
Call me mommy.
I beg.
Call me mommy.
Mom. What
Okay.
is it?
Let me tell you.
Uh-huh.
Can you believe that Auntie Wakego asked for my forgiveness today?
She did that?
Yes. She pleaded with me and asked me to forgive and forget the past. In fact, we ate together. Hey!
Wow.
I'm telling you.
Are you serious about this?
Honestly, I am very serious. You know, at a point, it was like a dream to me. But fortunately, it is reality.
Wow.
God, I'm so happy.
That's good to know. That's good to know. Yeah? That's good to know. Now I see why you're excited.
Yeah, I should be.
It's alright, please go inside and get me my food. I'm hungry. Huh?
Auntie Wakego and I have eaten your own portion of food.
No.
That's food for you.
That is what I will not eat.
This one them. Hey. I know they say change is constant, but it is still unbelievable to me. Hey! Chineke! Hey! Hey! Sister Wakega has changed. Hey!
Sister.
Eh?
It is shown a big. Sister, it is going. I'm telling you the truth, oh. It's the way you. Sister Wakega. Where Sister Wakega? Where Sister Wakega has changed? Biko. Biko.
What are you saying? Like, how do I make you understand this? You need to see how she was talking. She spoke so convincingly that my husband and I have no single doubt in our mind. We believe her. And we've also seen that she has changed.
I'm very sure it's one of her tricks. She's tricking you and your husband, and you're here opening your mouth. She's tricking you and your husband.
No way. It's no tricks at all. See, do you know that she confessed and regrets all her past deeds? She is even blaming herself for ending her marriage instead of going to the Lord in prayers. You know some Guinea?
You mean Wakego is regretting everything?
I'm telling you. Hey!
Why would she regret? Yes, she's supposed to regret all the vugu, Oneko, Lokozona, Amanda Naya, Omwa, Bulldozer Jesus. No, let her be rising. Akamukolo Ekoneko. Oburia, see, all these things you're saying, me, I don't believe anything that woman has changed. I will never believe her.
You just spoke as if you were present there at the meeting. Sawakego has promised to be a changed person. She has promised to be obedient, loyal, accommodating, and lovable. Hey, God, I'm so happy!
Oh, sister. Oh, Akudo. Oye megi your man diri anama. Sikachi. Sister Wakego. She has repented. Oh, she heading. Hell. I will never believe anything you tell me about Wakego. If she lie, let her come and lie down here and say, hey, peace, I'm sorry. I will never believe her.
Amakai, I've always known you to be a doubting Thomas. You hardly believe things. But you see this one, you must believe it. Sister Wakego has changed.
I will not believe it. You know why I will not believe it? You see this word is very strange. Even this sun you're looking now, you don't even know whether it's morning, you don't even know whether it's afternoon, or you don't even know whether it's already getting late. That is how life changes. That is how life is. Nobody is to be trusted. I am telling you, you'll be here and be opening your mouth. No,
I'm so happy.
I'm happy for you, my sister. There's nothing that is making me happy that you're smiling. Please keep smiling.
God. So Sister Wakego has changed. Indeed, change is constant. Hey.
Assuming that I am the first son of this family, do you think I will integrate it or disintegrate the family?
No. I know you very well. You coordinate this family now and bring us all together.
Thank you. So what difference does it make now that I am the first child and the woman?
Nothing, sister. This is just mere confusion.
Confusion? What confusion are we talking about here? Listen, as a woman and the first child, I have decided that I should encourage Akudo, not frustrate her.
Well, sister, thank you very much for realizing this. I believe this new development is in favor of me.
No. It is for the good of our father's family. And I have decided to throw my weight behind anything that will help Akudo to conceive. I'll do it.
Thank you very much, sister.
There's no need to thank me. I mean, it is my responsibility as the first child of this family. And I have decided to carry the burden to the best of my knowledge. So no need to thank me. And come to think of it.
Your kids are now grown up.
I'm telling you. I'm very sure that boy will be missing me. I don't know what I'll do with that boy. Always wants to be around me.
That's the same way I used to do then now.
It is true.
I used to cry every time she's traveling.
Once more, you're highly welcome, ma.
Thank you very much. So tell me, how are your people? I hope they are as beautiful as you are.
They look healthier and more beautiful than I.
In that case, they are highly favored.
Thank you, ma. Babe, I'll be inside in case you need anything.
It's alright.
I'll be at your service, okay?
Thank you, my love.
Okay. See you guys later.
Oh yeah.
Sister.
Just me. Who is she? Tell me everything about her.
Well, she's Clara Johnson from Kaduna State.
Hey!
I knew you were going to do that, but she's a good girl. Trust me. Yes.
You did not see people.
You know what they say about love, sister, now? Understand?
Oh, I understand.
Well, her father is a general in the army. Strong man. Her mother is a banker. A bank manager, actually.
General in the army.
Strong man. No. I can't mess up now.
Okay.
I can't mess up.
So tell me, how long have you people dated?
We've been dating for 4 years now.
Oh.
I actually proposed to her last year.
Did she agree?
Who will not accept my proposal?
Sister?
Who will not?
I'm a fine boy in a bed.
You know?
I'm a fine boy in a bed.
That is why I actually brought her back so that you get to meet her and then we'll start making plans for marriage. Can we keep banning me now?
Very important.
Very, very important.
Very important. So that you go.
Yes.
You want to see children running around the whole place.
Of course.
Yeah?
Of course.
Come on now, Rich.
Hey.
And the way I am seeing this girl, with the way her backside is shaped, she looks like someone that will not even waste time to give birth. Hey! That is what I want. Yeah? It's okay. It's okay. That is very good to know. So tell me more. Tell me about your childhood.
As a daughter of a soldier, I have been living from barrack to barrack.
Oh.
From one state to the other. In fact, I'm a barrack lady for sure.
Really? So, how do you intend to cope with marrying an Igbo man? At least you know that there's a significant difference in culture, tradition, religion, status, and the rest.
As my name implies, I am a Christian.
Very good. Very good.
As for status, it makes no difference. Hence, Ham is willing to do his duties as a husband, and I do mine as wife. Chekena, there will be no problem.
You are a very intelligent lady, I must say. Honestly. So, what is your take on tradition? You know, in this part of the country, we guard our tradition jealously.
Ma, I don't give a hoot about tradition. After all, Aham and I are not going to stay in this village. So the tradition can go to hell.
Wait. Are you aware that Aham is the only son of this family and my only brother?
I know that. As for tradition, it makes no difference to my notion. Please arrest my case.
Madam Lawyer! Madam Lawyer!
My beautiful sister-in-law. And I can't wait to be with you. In a sonky wallahi.
whatever that means.
Do you understand what I say? I say you're a beach fan that love you.
Oh, that is so heartwarming.
Don't worry, I'll teach you Hausa language, okay?
I can't wait to learn.
Okay.
You're back. Did you let her see him?
Nyemefe ka mfunzo. Bia. Aham.
Sister?
What is this thing that I'm seeing here? Hey! Ahamu! In the name of God that we both serve, don't tell me it is Clara's pants that you are washing and spreading here.
Yes, now, sister. These are the designer's pants I bought for her. Yeah? There's nothing there now. I decided to wash for my wife. That is what we call sweet love. It's foreign love. Not all these local champions.
It's a yes now. By the way, where is she?
Sister, she's taking a nap inside. She soaked these pants for like 3 days now. So I decided to help her, wash it off since she's my wife now. My wife to be.
Chero, she is inside.
Yes.
Having a nap.
Resting.
But it is you that will wash pants, Baroka. Pants that she soaked for 3 days.
Sister Baroka, these are designer's pants I bought for her now.
Uchono, as in the way you're saying it is like your head is telling you that what you are doing is correct. You are washing a woman's pants for her. If you don't know, do you know what it means? Wash pants. That man has gone.
Sister, forget this thing you're saying. So many men wash pants. Is it because you see them just carrying their shoes outside? So many men used to wash pants, Joe. Hey! I know this thing now. They'll just come outside and start pretending as if they don't used to wash pants normally. Normally, inside the house, they wash pants. They even wash more than pants. And that's me, you come outside and be...
Anyway, that one is by the way. What did you not tell me that Uncle has been sick since?
Hey! Sister, that skipped my mind though. Uncle has been so sick. As in, the sickness is consuming lots of money. Do you know that the last time I came back, I was the one that rushed him to the hospital?
Hey!
Ha! Wow.
We need to pray. We need to pray for a miracle. That man there is our only uncle. Yeah, our own father's younger brother. Eh?
Yeah, I've been praying. No, I'm praying for him. Don't worry.
Come on, get out of office. You are still touching that useless pants. Eh? That one will not happen in this house.
Stop calling this thing useless pants. This is a designer's pants I bought now. Yes, there are 17 pants.
She packed all these things for 3 days.
Sister, just 17 pants inside that place. What do you mean it's a whole group of pants?
It will not work in this house. Let this be the first and the last time you will wash any woman's part in this house. Do you know how disgraceful it is that my own younger brother is washing pants for a woman? Yeah,
it's not disgraceful now.
No, and the worst part is that what you go in our story pants, it will not happen. Yeah, Clara.
Sister, leave my wife.
Ma, I'll be leaving first thing in the morning. I have a court session, and my client has been on my neck to come back.
Oh, is that your agreement with her?
Sister, duty calls, and I cannot stop her. Besides, we've achieved the reason for her visit, so...
that is very correct. I mean, she has seen me and she has seen other members of the family.
Of course.
It's okay. It's left for us to also return the visit. See your people, sit down and discuss with them, so that, from there, we will know the way forward. Hmm?
It's alright. Please, I should be informed on time. So I'll get across to my father. He hardly stays in town.
He's a busy man.
Yes.
I can imagine. That is not a problem. By the way, it was really nice seeing you.
Thank you very much. I'm honored.
Sister, don't forget that as a man, no matter the number of years you senior me with, I am still a man. Yes, now. I have my muscles. I can flex them anytime I want to. I'm still the man.
That was that time. Oh. That was then. You see now, if you try it, if you flex this your muscle now, not only will my husband imprison you, you see my children, they will guard you up. They will gather and beat you blue and black. You see this your muscles, they will deflate it for you.
Sister, you should have just told me that you're raising a gang in Lagos. Let me understand you now.
That is what I'm raising.
You should have told me you're raising a gang in Lagos. But auntie, good afternoon, my dear.
You will live long life. Oh. Come and sit, come and sit, come and sit. This is the Akuda I was telling you about. Akuda is labor. Tested and trusted. Yeah. The villagers confirmed that she is well trained. In fact, since she's a daughter of the sun, she is enmeshed in custom and tradition. She knows everything about our tradition.
Try.
Hell!
Akudo, you're welcome, eh?
Welcome. Welcome.
You're welcome.
Good to see you.
Akudo, you're welcome. You see, my sister here, my loving sister, my sweet sister has told me a lot about you. But notwithstanding, I still told her that I have someone I'm already dating. But she insisted.
And I am still insisting. You are my only brother. And I know what is good for you. Nenyeba. Eh?
I can see that.
Hey! Oh!
Sister, it's alright. I thank God Akudo is here. It's nice to meet you. At the same time, I still need time to discuss with her. So we'll get to know each other one-on-one. After all, she's the point of view.
I don't have a problem. I can excuse you so that you can talk and know each other well.
No, sister, what kind of arrow is that? Why will you commit such abomination? How can I be here and then you excuse us? No, the best thing is for me and her to walk out, have a little discussion, get to know each other better, and that does it. Then we'll start planning ahead now.
I could. Hey, look at me. Look at this Cambodian job. So I did not offer you.
I'm fine, thank you, ma.
We are now family, okay?
Thank you, ma. I know, thank you.
You see that thing that I'm telling you?
Sister! Akudo, let's go down the road and talk.
I'm solidly behind you. Go.
Sister, I'm coming.
Hey, Aromonka. Jai! Don't know what all have tried.
Akudo, it's so funny you grew up in this village and I never got to meet you.
Well, it's not my making. My late father was a very strict Catholic catechist who never liked his children mingling with villagers.
Why was that?
He always said that evil communication corrupts good manners.
Well, although I knew him when he was alive, I never knew he was this strict.
Are you serious?
Yes.
It did not just end at home. It continued to our school. Do you know that Papa will take my sister and I to school and then come back afterwards to pick us? He even paid some masters to be monitoring us.
Did the surveillance get to that?
You never can tell with Papa. It was bitter while it lasted, but it is life-saving.
Of course.
It helped keep my sister and I off the street.
I can see that already. Eh? Akudo, what do you think about what my sister is saying about us getting married? What's your take?
Although I may not understand what you are saying, but I want to tell you that your sister Wakego has for over 2 years now been telling me that I will marry her brother, and she has been spending on me.
Whoa! Tell me something I do not know. Hmm?
But that is true now. It's the truth. I accepted her request, depending on when I will see the said brother. Because my uncle said you are a good man.
Whoa. Now I see this marriage has already been concluded behind my back. That's good to know though. Good to know. Sister Wakego, you beat me to this one. Do you know you already married Akudo behind me without my consent?
Yes, sir. I had to do what I did so that she will not get married to another man. You know that Akudo, her type is rare. You can't find them like that these days again. Mona Wagi.
Sister, you sound as if you know this girl too well.
If I say I know her too well, it is not a lie. And judging by her parents and how we regard them, how they are, that Akudo is 1 in a million. Mona Wagi. I won't be shocked if you find her a virgin.
Sister, that is a lie.
Say,
you're trying to tell me that a girl as fine as Akudo is still a virgin? No, now. How can that happen? Are you telling me you paid other men not to look at her? It's not possible now.
My dear brother, the taste of the food is in the eating. Just try it. A trial will convince you. I know what I'm saying.
You're serious about this? That's Ntawa. Sister, do you know I finally tasted Akudo? That girl is still intact. Follow come.
Oh, did I not tell you? Agwa. It wasn't as if I knew, but judging from her upbringing, I knew she would be a virgin.
Child. Sister, I tried too much from you. Thank you for connecting the both of us. I'm just wondering what my life would have been if I had ended up with that Clara girl.
Why do you say that?
Do you know that as we speak, she's in her 3rd marriage?
It's again. What do you mean by that?
Clara is in the business of marrying and divorcing.
Yay!
The last time we spoke, she told me she can never surrender her freedom to any man.
You don't mean it?
Yes, so.
Imagine what would have happened to you if you had married her in this your present financial condition.
Sister, 6 feet.
I
would have gone 6 feet and by now my memories would have been focused. Just like that.
Imagine me watching my brother wash a lady's underwear, pants, bra and dozen. Yeah, hello.
Forget that memory, please. That's not the memory I want you to have. That was suffering and smiling. I was managing my life now.
Hello. Hello. Prayer. The Bible says that prayer is the key. Even as we are about to embark on this journey, we should give everything into God's hands. We should invite God so that He will take us there safely and make sure that we get positive results. Do you understand?
Sister Wakego, I am forever indebted to God for this your new life. Eh? Hey! It's alright. Lead us in prayers, please.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, we bless you. We glorify your name. We worship you. May all adoration be ascribed unto your name in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
We commit this journey into your hands, Lord.